All right, so you have to have two nitrates. You could not properly balance the equation until you first balance the formulas. Okay? We have to balance formulas before we can balance equations. And once the formulas are balanced, you must leave them alone. You can't stick any new numbers in here. The only thing you can use to balance an equation are the coefficients you put in front of everything. Okay? But now we can use an atom inventory to balance the equation. Alright, so use an atom inventory to balance the equation now. This is the process you must use in this class. You always, it doesn't matter whether it's this class or anybody else's, you have to balance the formulas before you can balance the equation. That's required anywhere. Won't work otherwise. Then once you do that in here, you have to use an atom inventory to balance the equation. So that means we're going to write down all the elements in a column. Then we're going to make our chart here, almost like a spreadsheet in statistics or business math or whatever you might be using it for. Then we're going to count all the elements. So I see 1 zinc, 1 copper. How many nitrogens? 2 nitrogens. Everything in the parentheses gets multiplied by the subscript that's outside of it. So that's 2 nitrogens. How many oxygens? 6. Over on the other side, we've got 1 copper, 1 zinc. How many nitrogens? 2 nitrogens. Okay? Christopher, how many oxygens? How many?
3.
Well, which one is it?
6.
How do you know?
Because there's 6 on that side.
No, sir, that's not how you know.
That's how I know.
No, sir, that's not correct.
What's after?
3 is how many oxygens there are in a nitrate. I have 2 nitrates. So the way you know you have 6 oxygens is you multiply the 2 times the 3.
We all have different methods of solving.
Well, the method you're using is incorrect. It will not fly. Okay? In this case, the equation's already balanced. But you have to show me the atom inventory to show me why that's the case. And just throwing a number on there because it has to be the same as this side won't fly. Well, you won't be able to balance it properly when that doesn't work out this way. In this case, it's balanced. All right? Huh? All right, so let's do one that wasn't on the lab. Okay? Let's take let's see here. How about sodium metal? And let's react it with cadmium. What? Cadmium chloride. So, you have to predict the products. You have to balance formulas. Then you have to balance the equation. So that's your assignment to do that. Now you can work with a neighbor as long as you do so quietly. And you actually work and not play.